Yes, it is chaat and it is Pani Puri. It is Pani Puri, and this is, to be very honest, for the first time that I'm going to try to make the puris. So I am not sure how it's going to be, and I don't know whether it's going to be a success or a major epic fail. We will have to wait and watch. But I have done my research over it, and I want to do this because I, like everyone, I am missing Pani Puri like no man's business. I am a complete Mumbai chaat person, not a Delhi chaat person. People who are from Delhi, I know your Pani Puris and your Golgappas are a little different than the Bombay Maharashtra ones. But if you want to taste the real Pani Puri, you should come to Bombay Hot Puri because I love it here. So I am going to start off with the puris. The ingredients are very minimal. Rava, maida and salt. Okay, so maida is 1/3 cup. In goes maida, 1 cup rava. Pink Himalayan salt. So the water has to be lukewarm. It is in Hindi it's called Gurguna Pani and in Marathi it's called Komat Pani. I don't know what it is in Telugu, so please let me know what it is. Anyway, just let me know in comments. So I'm going to add lukewarm water to this. And I'm going to work the atta. So let's get down and dirty with the dough. Go with your hands and go full on with it. Like, it is the most important thing for your puris to fluff up. So give it nice mix and also see to it that it is mixed really well. You give it a lot of love. Get the guys to work in your kitchen, huh? So this needs some muscle. You can't add water and you can't make the dough runny. That'll totally give you no good puris. So I have just finished kneading the dough. I have been working on this for almost 10 minutes now. That's why it's become so fluffy and bouncy. Like, I'm going to show you one trick that how your dough needs to be. So if I'm like going to press, it needs to bounce back. See? Can you see that? Also, the thing is that you need to rest the dough for a good 30 minutes. This is something that you cannot miss. Like, do not rush into it. Rest it for 30 minutes. Cover this with a damp cloth and let it rest. So now for the tikha pani, the spicy water, the green chutney is important. So I'm going to quickly start making the green chutney while the dough rests. So this is 1 big cup of pudina, mint leaves, and I'm going to take half cup of coriander. 2 green chilies right now. If I want later, I can add a chili to it, but I think 2 is fine. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger. Not too much because it can be overpowering. So that's enough. And I'm going to give this a grind. The dough has been resting for a good half an hour and it looks nice and bouncy. So now I'm going to start to see my real culinary skills now. Made it as thin as I can and even as possible. It needs to be really even, but it need not be really thin. It needs to have that little, you know, this is what I am told, but I don't know. So this little cutter is going to be my Pani Puri cutter. I just found it. And let's start making it. Now is the moment of truth. Oh my god, I am so nervous. अभी पता चलेगा कि मेरी पानी पूरी हो रही है या पापड़ी हो रही है. I don't know what this is gonna be. unbelievable, guys. I cannot tell you how proud I am of myself. Did you just see that? Did you just see that? Oh my god. Why haven't I made these before? This one is also fluffed up. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry out of joy. This is next level joy, guys. I mean, can you see that? Wow. So there is a little trick here. You need to press it down and then it fluffs up like that. See that? That's how it is done. Oh my god, I have just made myself so proud. I can't tell you. I was actually quite sure that this is not going to work, but this is brilliant, guys. I mean, you guys have to make your own puris and you should see the joy it gives you, man. I mean, wow. So I'm making the khatta chutney, the tamarind chutney, that is. So in goes tamarind paste into a little bit of water. Sorry, this is a lot of water. So in goes tamarind paste. About 1 heap jaggery. I like it a little sweet, so 1/2. Half a spoon of red chili powder. And my tamarind chutney is ready. So now I'm going to quickly start making the pani puri ka pani. So in goes the green chutney. In goes some seera powder. That's roasted cumin powder. Some chaat masala. I'll be adding some black salt to this. And now some chilled water. It has to be chilled, guys. I mean, that's important. So now I'm just going to add the crispy boondi to it. And my water is chilled. If you want, you can refrigerate it to keep it really cold. I might add a little ice cubes later too. Pani puri in quarantine, guys. This is the best lockdown. I mean, I shouldn't say that, but come on. This is like, I would have never tried to make pani puri if it was not for the quarantine, for the lockdown. And these golden, beautiful, delicate, crunchy puris, guys, it gives you some different kind of pleasure. If I can make it, trust me, you can make it. And I'm going to start with assembling. So the water is here, the green pani, the khatta pani, a little mashed potato. This is mung beans, and that's all I need to get cracking. I can't wait. So I'm gonna get going. Look at this. Oh my god. I really wish you guys could taste this, yeah. This one I'm gonna eat typical Bombaya Khela style. We'll actually dip the puri in the water. You know, the pani puri wala bhaiya crazy. This is how it's done. Dip it. Now it's really full. Guys, you have to try this at home. Share your experience experience of making it with me. Share the pictures, the video, so that I can repost it. And tell me how it was, how the experience was. Like, you can actually have this Pani Puri ka thela in your house and just enjoy it with your family. It is the most best experience